We'll be covering some of the most essential commands you will use on a daily basis when working with command line. These commands are fundamental to mastering Bash. Well, for these tutorials, I'm using Arch by the way, but the procedure will be same for macOS and Windows. The first command we will cover is cd, which stands for change directory. This command allows you to navigate through the file system by moving into different directories. For example, you want to move into a directory named documents. You would type cd documents and then enter. Now let's talk about ls command. This command is used to list the contents of a directory. When you type ls and press enter, you'll see a list of files and directories in the current directory. For example, if you want to list the content of the documents, you would type ls documents and press enter. Now we have mkdir command, which stands for make directory. The command allows you to create a new directory. For example, if you want to create a directory named photos, you would type mkdir photos and then enter. Now let's talk about rm command. This command is used to remove files and directories. Be careful with this one as it's permanently deletes the specific files and directories. There's no going back. Next, we have cp command, which stands for copy. This command allows you to copy files and directories from one location to another. For example, if you want to copy a file named repo.txt from the current directory to a directory named backup, you would type cp repo.txt backup and then enter. Similarly, we have mv command, which stands for move. This command allows you to move files or directories from one location to another. If you want to move a directory named pictures, you would type mv image.jpg pictures and press enter. The touch command is used to create empty file. For example, if you want to create a new file named notes.txt, you would say touch notes.txt and then enter. Now we have a command called cat, which is used to display the contents of file. For example, if you want to display the contents of file named example.txt, you would type cat example.txt and press enter. And now finally we have echo command, which is used to display text on the terminal. For example, if you want to display the hello world on the terminal, you would type echo hello world and press enter. These are just few of the essential commands you will use in Bash. Practice using them and you'll be more comfortable with command line in no time. In the next lecture, we will talk about directories in more depth.